Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop. Within minutes, I'm able to tackle floors without waiting, and that has made cleaning so much more efficient. The steam power is impressive. It loosens dirt and grime on tile, hardwood, and even grout lines without harsh chemicals, which I really love. It feels good knowing I'm sanitizing my floors with just water, and the results look noticeably cleaner and fresher every time I use it. One of my favorite features is the flip-down easy scrubber. When I encounter tougher spots or stubborn messes, that scrubber makes it simple to target and loosen the grime without pulling out a separate brush or tool. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in keeping the process smooth. The mop itself is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. It glides smoothly, and the pads are easy to attach and remove for later washing. Overall, the steam mop has turned what used to be a chore into something that feels quicker and more satisfying. If you want a reliable, chemical-free way to clean and sanitize your hard floors, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.